Who is this character? Oh, who is that girl? And who is this guy? And this guy? Welcome guys, this is a character design video. In this video we're going to be exploring more, and actually we're going to be developing our own character of our horror game. So up till now, no wonder that the character has changed the game the way it was. Looking back to the character, I mean, who don't know Kratos? He's a world famous guy. Look at him, the personality he have. Just think the God of War without Kratos. It will be completely impossible. The way his attitude is, the personality, it's what make the God of War. It was a Kratos who really took the God of War from level 1 to the level 2. So yes, and this beautiful girl right here is a Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. Quite honestly, I never played, Tomb Raider game, but when it came out on PS3 and I saw that trailer, trust me guys, I ran onto the store and bought one disc for me. That is this Tomb Raider game. I really like the trailer, and to be quite frank, I really like that girl in the trailer. So really, again, it was a character that really attract the player to come and play this game. And it's this another guy from the Resident Evil 6 and Resident Evil 5. After Leon S. Kennedy, it was Chris Redfield, who was a very popular character. So all I mean to say guys, the character does have a lot of effect on the game. So in this video we're gonna be getting started with the character design. So not only this project, but in any project, if you go in future and if you're serious about that project, I really recommend making and thinking a lot about that character and its behavior, its attitude, and then go ahead and then design it. So here we're gonna be making three main character. That's the main character, the daughter, and the witch. And I haven't named them yet, but we will name them. So yeah, let's get started without talking any further. Open up Google, type in Autodesk, and that's Character Generator. There you go. Now this is a complete masterpiece software. It allows you to create your model within a minute, and that is rigged model. Now what I mean by the rigged model, it contains of the bones. You can move their head, you can move their arms, their legs, so which means basically you can directly use them for the animation. So from here you can just go ahead and create account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and fill in the info. It's very simple. Otherwise, just sign in. Now once you sign in, this is what it's gonna be looking like. The model that I've already created appears here, and all you have to go is just click on this new. So we're creating a new character. This is what your model will look like. Now first we're creating a male character, so these are the already ready-made models. So if you are in a haste, you can just pick any one of them, but I'm gonna make male, and that's from the beginning. So I'm gonna choose the default male right here and go down and just customize. Remember, it's an online based software, so you don't have to download anything except for the model. So yeah, by the way, these sign indicates you need to purchase these, so we're not interested in this one. We need to go for free right now. So these are free faces. So remember, we're making a main character here that is a hero, so make sure he looks like hero. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So basically the face you want, you just need to drag up here, but this is not the only face I want. Say you like more than one face. I like this one and I like that one, so I'm gonna drag that too. Now I can make either completely Luke, or I can completely make Johnny, or I can inherit from both these guys and make the combination of two. So he looks really good. Now if you want, you can go ahead in detail and just go for eyes, ears, mouth, and all this, etc, etc. But I'm fine with this. Go click here. Okay, this Alright, these are the skins that we're gonna be going over. So you can pick anything. If you choose complete black, it will look more realistic. That's what I believe. Let's check. You know what? Let's check this. Again, guys, these are very simple. All you have to just go ahead and click and pick any one. So just don't hesitate to modify it. Just come up here and yes, much recent. Alright, he'll do. Anyway, click on the eye and then you can choose anything from here. I think the height has already is fine, so I'm gonna skip to hair. The hair, and this is not very great, but okay, it's fine. Okay, I want to go for this hair. Now I want to change the color, so you're gonna click up here, show variation, and now you have these colors that you can choose from. I'm gonna go with this guy and let it load up. Okay, now it had loaded up. This is how it looks like. It's looking pretty good. There comes the body, the figure that we want to give him. I don't want to make him very slim, and I don't want to make him very muscular, so I'm gonna be going over Jack. He should be fine, and I don't want to inherit from others, so I think this is cool. Alright, it's already looking good. Let's move on to clothing. Now out of this you can choose anything you like. Make sure he looks like a normal guy. We don't want to make him a businessman or something, or not a military or army guy. So I think I'm gonna be choosing this t-shirt or anything else too. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's cool. You know, interestingly, the female has more better clothes, so it does not matter if you choose from there too, or it does matter. Let's see. So how about this? It's looking good, kind of, but you know, I want to give him a t-shirt, so let's try that too. No, it's looking like a sports player. Let's go back to male section, and I think that shirt that I chosen already was okay. Let me try this. Again, guys, take time and just implement this and go with whatever you like. I'm gonna quickly end this up before the length of the video goes longer. For the pant, I'm gonna go to, again, female section. Let's try this. I think it's good. It's good. I've been using for the most of my model already. How about this one? This looks even better. Okay. Okay, let's go to shoes real quick. Give him some nice shoes. Okay. I'm gonna give him this. Let's see how it looks like. I think it's fine. Or maybe, you know what's bothering me is his pant that I really want to change right now. It's looking good, but at the bottom it's kinda different. Ah yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so now we're done with everything. Just go ahead and finish it and name it whatever you want to name it. It doesn't matter, at least up here. So I'm gonna name him Daniel Bryan, because I want to name anything. So okay, Alright, this is the Daniel Bryan. It's already uploaded to our website, so whenever we can just go ahead and click here, it will begin to generate. So just go ahead and name him. Now don't have the poly resolution to medium. They've actually changed it. Now you can just only have low poly resolution. Just go for specular normal 2. Facial bone rigging is not allowed in free version, which is our biggest flaw here, which means we cannot do like lip moment for that guy. We're gonna go for triangle. Alright, generate. So by the time it's being generated, we're gonna go ahead and create another one, and this time we need to create a daughter. So I think I want to choose this one. No. Okay, I'm gonna go for a female. Just make sure she'll look like a child. So give her that kind of face. I'm not sure with that. That looks silly. It's way too silly. Anyway, let's go ahead. I'm gonna play around with this one, and I'm gonna, kind of cut the video, and I'm gonna be back when I'm done. Alright guys, I've created the daughter. That's how she looks like. So that's our Nikki already, created. Let's generate it. Poly. Shorten her height so she looks like a kid. Go for Unity. Thank you. Okay, that's orientation. High skeleton. Yeah, it was supposed to be high. Anyway, generate. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the boss of our game. That's the witch. Go for a woman real quick, and the reason why I want to show you this is because I'm gonna make it a scary one, so make sure she looks real scary. So for that I have a face, which is, yeah, that's right here. It's gonna be kind of way too awful, I understand, but just look for other. That's that one, and then try to inherit from these faces and see how it looks like. She's looking like, never mind. Yeah, this was the face I want to go for. What? Okay, now I think it's fine. Let's go with that one. We don't need it. Now go to skin real quick, and through here we're gonna, I think this, or how about this? Let's test it. Make sure you can make her as ugly as possible, as horrible as possible. Oh my god. You know what, I'm gonna be having 2 models of this old woman, is because she's gonna be, from the starting of the game till the end, she's gonna be having one transformation, but at the end she will transform to a real monster, which will be something we'll create in a minute. So how about that? Okay, that looks good. Or how about this other one? Okay, let's go with this. Now go for eyes. Here's another thing, guys. I think this is gonna be horrible. Else this. Let's test this and figure out if that looks good. No, it's not scary. Come on, that looks a bit scary now. How about this one? I bet it won't be that scary. Yeah, let's go with this one. Now that makes me load up, let's go to hair. Like I said, just trying to make her as ugly as you can. I'm gonna transition between clothing. Now clothing, I think, guys, since there are a lot of modern dresses up here, I think, guys, the clothes in this one is kind of modern style and it will not fit with our character since we are trying to make a witch. So, but I did came across this suit, which is good. So I found this one kind of good. I also found this one good as well. Just make sure you click on use outfit so it will apply to the whole body. Yeah. Now go up here, show variation, and choose this, or maybe hold on, use outfit. So really hope she looks like that. So this is how she looks like now. Kind of horrible. I mean, I think it's not looking good. Let me just go to body real quick and make her normal. Come on. Yeah. Clothing is done. Alright, from here, I think naked legs are okay with this. I'll finish it and name it her, which I'm gonna name her 2, but so this is created as well. Go ahead and generate her. Where is she? Okay, she's being created. Thumbnail is being generated. Come on. You know what? Don't care about it. Generate the character. Which low poly, specular. Her height will be kind of, I guess, pretty big. High skeleton. No. Triangle definitely. Thank you so much, and generate them. Now 2 guys have already been generated. This is Daniel, Brian, and Nikki. Now I think let's create some side models, and now I'm leaving this up to you guys because I really think that you need to explore it on yourself. I did this with you guys, and you need to go up in the Autodesk Character Generator and create your own models. That is like a, you know, evil model, and I'm gonna be back creating some 2, 3, or 3, 4 models. And you know what, I'm gonna see you in a minute. Alright guys, I've created the model, I've generated them, and these are the model that I've already generated. Now once you've generated it, you need to download them. So just click on the icon up here, it says download, and once you hit that, your download will already begin. There you go. So I'm going to download all the models and store them in one folder. Alright, once you have downloaded them, once you have extracted these files, open up Unity. Alright, so I've created a new project. To create a new project, click on a new project and then give it whatever you like to name it whatever you like to name it, and then tick everything. Just make sure not to tick on the mobile package. So let me show you. Don't tick this one. Just tick every other thing as well. Not this one. Just create it. Once you've created the project, you will be giving up the project like this, which contains only main camera in the project, and the assets will contain of standard assets. So now we're gonna go ahead, click on assets, create a new folder and call it characters. The spelling is wrong. I guess the spelling is right. So now we've created a character folder. Now go ahead and yeah, open up and, you know, copy all the files and just click and drag it over to Unity and over this folder. So all the files will be copied onto the characters file. We need that. My god, the dog is barking like a shit. Yeah, once all the thing are loaded, it will show that the normal map, as you know, is using a material is being used in a normal map, fix it, and it will automatically fix it for you. Come on. Okay, so now I think everything is loaded into Unity. Just go ahead. I'm gonna show you a glimpse of how our character will look like real quick. Okay. What the hell? Oh, shit. Gotta be shitting me. What the fuck is that? Alright, so the models have loaded. Real quick, grab them up. Now just go ahead. Just give whatever material you want to give. Does not matter. Okay. Light. Directional light. And then let's start dragging it, or maybe let me just wait. I really like to do this stuff. It just make me feel better to have this guys on. Alright, just bring our Daniel Bryan up here, and bam, there's a Daniel Bryan. Okay, hold up. Okay. Uh-oh. That's our Daniel Bryan right here. So now what I mean by rigged model is you can just go under spine left, just so you can now move there like it's already rigged for you. So it's kind of, you know, you could just animate them as according to your choice, but really kind of surprisingly the quality has gone kind of lower now. Anyways, this is it. And just go for the devil, drag him up here, and damn it, who should I don't know. It's gonna be, I'm not sure. I'm gonna make, it's gonna be nurse, or maybe I don't know. This is the daughter of the main character, kind of. I'm not sure. I really created a child or what. Anyway, the nurse, I don't know if she's looking horrifying or not, but maybe she is. Anyway, just the witch. I created kind of two model of him. I'm gonna go as what I like with. I really found this one is kind of horrifying. This one